Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about corms and Colchicum autumnale, also known as meadow saffron. So this is a Colchicum which I'm going to discard because it has a disease, but I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. So Colchicum and other cormous plants have a bulb-like structure, but if we cut through the bulb, it's homogeneous, so it doesn't have scales or anything like that. And there was a shoot here, but it died. And from the shoot, in the autumn, you get flowers, and in the spring, you're going to have a new corm, which looks like a ball, but it's essentially a corm, and the roots. And you can also already see that the old corm is shriveling up, putting all its nutrients in the new corm. You can also see the leaves, and there are some dark patches on the leaves, and these dark patches are caused by a fungus called Urocystis kolchicii. It's a smut fungus, and you can also see the smut here on the white corm. So essentially my PhD student and I are working on this pathogen to characterize it better, because it has been described from Hungary a couple of decades ago, maybe a century ago, but we are going to do more research on this one. Until then, please hang on, and I will notify you when our article comes out. So that would be all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.